to another weird production. Today, as you guys know by the title, we are doing a slime collection. So, I know I did a slime collection a while back in my old room, but now I have way more slimes. Well, I don't have more slimes. I got rid of all of those. I started a new slime collection. These are just slimes that I made in my free time whenever I'm bored and I just want to whip up a quick batch of slime. And yeah, I have one that I have one that's really amazing. It's like my favorite of all time. So let's get on with the video. So if you guys are following me on Instagram, you know that this is my new background for my slime videos. And yeah, I just wanted to clear that up. So I made an Instagram video about the slime. It is a white slime with a lot of fake sprinkles that I recently got. I ran out, but I ordered some more. So hopefully they will come soon. And then it's also like a slushy slime because it has some pellets. And let's hear this top crunch. Okay, I guess there's no top crunch. But yeah, as you see the little pellets in there. And sorry for this extra slime. I don't know what it's doing here. Sorry, guys. But anyways, so let's just cue the ASMR of this one. The next slime is this other slime with some fake sprinkles. I made a lot of slimes with fake sprinkles. Just my mini slimes that I had no more containers for. And it has some chewed up bubblegum parts, which is basically packing peanuts. And it's also a butter slime made with Daiso clay. And it's just really weird slime. I never really played with this much. I just usually poked it in the container and then I'd never really play with it anymore. Let's just try to do some ASMR with this slime. Okay guys, the other one literally took so long to close. I literally had to use all my force. Mixed slime and a foam slime, and it turned out pretty crunchy. It's not as crunchy as I want it to be, but that's fine. So no foam beads or slushy beads. Oh. This next slime is another slushy slime. I have a lot of slushy slimes, and it is like this maroonish color. I think it is scented. It's not scented. It is not scented. I love the base. You can see it's so glossy. I don't know if you can see. You can't really see the color on camera, but the color is so beautiful, guys. Now let's just keep the ASMR. To do these last two slimes together because this is a regular white glue based slime and this is also a regular white glue based slime. They're exactly the same, but this one is way thicker and it's because of something I did to it, my secret ingredient. But yeah, these are made exactly with glue and activator, except this has a special ingredient. So the purple one is a what's it called? Is a just normal white glue based purple slime. I don't think it's scented. No, it's not scented. And the yellow one is a normal light glue based with my special thickness recipe, I guess. Thickness ingredient. And it has fake sprinkles, and it is called, I call it Funfetti cake batter. And I tried to dye it like cake batter, and it's scented just like the name. So yeah. Play with this one first. See, it's glossy. And yeah, it's just normal like the base. So there's that slime. It's not really thick. My personal favorite of this whole collection. There is a big difference. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I know I took off the stickers, but I just didn't really think they worked. Bad noise. But yeah, make sure to do all those things, and I will see you guys next time. Peace out.